In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply an upsell in Gumroad. An upsell is a targeted offer that appears in the checkout flow to increase the value of a customer's purchase, and setting it up in Gumroad only takes a few minutes once you know where everything lives. Start by opening your Gumroad dashboard and heading to the checkout section in the left-hand menu. Inside checkout, go to the upsells area. This is where all of your offers are managed. Create a new one by selecting New Upsell, which opens the editor for the offer's details. Give your upsell a clear internal name. This is just for your own organization, so choose something descriptive that makes it easy to find later. Next, write the offer text. Think of this as the headline customers see during checkout, so make it benefit-driven and specific, like add the workbook for a complete toolkit, then add the offer description. Use this space to explain what the customer gets and why it complements their purchase. Keep it concise, value-focused, and free of any sensitive information. Choose the status for the upsell. Set it to live when you're ready for customers to see it, or paused if you're still drafting or want to temporarily hide it. Paused is great for experimenting with copy without showing it to buyers yet. Select the type of offer you want to run. If you want to increase the cart value by suggesting a related item, choose the option to add another product to the cart. This is ideal for bundles or companion resources. If your goal is to swap what the customer already selected for a more suitable product, go with replace the selected products with another product. This is useful when you have a better fitting alternative. And if you sell multiple tiers or versions of the same product, choose replace the version selected with another version of the same product to nudge customers to a higher value addition. Pick the one that best matches your strategy and pricing, and make sure the offer clearly communicates the upgrade or addition. Apply the upsell to the product that should trigger it. This tells Gumroad when to show your offer in the checkout experience, ensuring it appears for the right audience. When everything looks good, click Save. Your upsell is now configured and ready based on the status you selected. You can always return to this page to refine the headline, description, or offer type as you learn what resonates with your customers.